On the grid below, draw a graph of y equals 4, subtract x. The values of x from -2 to 4. If you can draw the line based on y equals mx plus c, do that. Otherwise, draw a table. Going to input x and get out y. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, substituting in this x into here, I don't like doing the negatives to start with, so I'm going to start with the 0. 4 subtract 0. 4 subtract 1. 4 subtract 2. 4 subtract 3. There's a bit of a pattern going on. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go back here. 5 and 6. These are the points we're going to plot on this graph here. We're going to do it with a pencil. I'm going to start with -2 and 6. -1 and 5. 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. It is a straight line and we use a ruler to connect them. Try and be as accurate as possible. You've done it in pencil. If you get it wrong, do it again. These are very well worth practicing. Practice it over and over again until you can answer them. Sometimes you'll get to draw a curve, in which case you need to do it smoothly with your pencil. Repeat it again if it doesn't go through all the crosses.